Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE from Boost Mobile. The price, features, and whether it's worth it. Let's get started. Price and offer. The Galaxy S25 FE is priced at $649.99. Financing is available over 36 months, but you'll need Boost Mobile's unlimited premium plan at $60 per month. Pay today, and you'll also get a free year of service. And good features. Here's what you get. A 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh. Cameras. 50-megapixel main, 8-megapixel telephoto, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, plus 12-megapixel front. Battery 4900 mAh, supporting 45-watt super-fast charging. Memory 8 GB. RAM and 128 GB storage. Runs Android version 16 with Galaxy AI features. Protection plan. Boost Protect is offered. A cracked screen repair has a $29 deductible. It also covers loss, theft, and accidental damage, plus tech support and security. Pros and cons. Here's the quick breakdown. Pros: flagship-like cameras, large smooth display, AI features, and flexible financing. Cons: lock to the $60 unlimited premium plan, extra cost for protection, and high refresh rate may use more battery. Verdict. Overall, the Galaxy S25 FE balances high-end features at a lower price than top S-series models. It's a solid pick if you want strong cameras and display without going all the way to flagship pricing. Outro. That's the Galaxy S25 FE at Boost Mobile. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching.